Okay, we're working out of the 7th grade workbook. I took the same problem, just changed the numbers up a little bit. So for the first question here, oh, of course there we go. So, what does 10% off of the regular price mean? So, we want to explain that? Nobody? Yep.
Why do off means like subtractions?
Okay, so we're going to subtract 10% of this, right? So we can't just do 36 minus 10. We got to figure out what 10% of that actually is, right? So how do we find out what 10% of the cost is? Does anybody think they get me on the right track?
Divide.
There are ways you could divide, yes, with this problem.
Wait, no, multiply 36 and like 0.1.
Yes, that would work as well. So there are ways you could divide to solve this problem. The way we're going to use though is what Carter just said here. We're going to multiply. So of generally means multiplication when you're dealing with math, correct? If that helps you, you can just think of this little bubble as filled in. And we have the cost. So the cost is $36. Actually, let's keep this written up so you can kind of see where we're going with this. You can go back and backtrack your steps. Does anybody know why you're not going to multiply 10 by 36? He said it earlier.
I guess since it's a percentage, you have to move the decimal place 2 times.
When it's a percentage, you got to move the decimal place 2 times. Yep. So, one way I tell the students they can remember this, think of these 3 letters in the alphabet. Tell yourself that one stands for N number. This one stands for P, percent. Okay, so we got 10% here. And since I don't see the decimal, it means it's where?
The N.
At the end. And I just say to get from letter P in the alphabet to the letter N in the alphabet, I go 2 times to the left, so that's going to be 0.10. And like Carter said earlier, you can drop the 0 at the end if you want. It's totally up to you. And with percents, I don't mind if you use your calculators on this. But a lot of you probably could do this in your head as well, because you know that basically what's going to happen is the decimal is just going to move one place when you multiply this. And when you multiply that, you get 3.6. So, except we're dealing with money, so what do you think 10% off would be in terms of money? For that, how would you rewrite that in terms of money?
3.60.
Yep, 3.60 with a dollar symbol in the front, so $3.60. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this 10% off now with $3.60, right? Okay, so then the next question. Okay, the regular price of the soccer ball is the price that you started off with. And the way you're going to find out 20 or a 10% discount would be to do what?
Subtract 36 minus 3.60.
Yep, you're going to do 36 minus $3.60. And again, you can just use your calculator if you want. And then that's going to give you the final cost there, which would be what, $32.40, I believe. And that's it.